Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to talk something very interesting about unleashing our potential, getting the best in us. As the famous saying of Buddha goes, every day we are born, and what we do that day matters. So there are five interesting things that if you follow, we will get the best in us. And many successful people, success isn't not necessarily in terms of money, success which attributes to whatever that individual aspires for, of many people, you will find these five characteristics in them. Let's look at it. Number one, wake up early. Again, a very, very important habit that most successful people have in them. Waking up early, as we all know, has certain advantages in terms of being exposed to a better environment. And also, research says people who wake up early are productive by 2 hours than others in a day. Number two, meditate. Meditate doesn't mean that you have to shut yourself in a room, in a dark room, close your eyes tight, and focus on something. It's all about closing your eyes and aligning your thoughts. It could be making your plan for the day, it could be reviewing a previous day, previous month, or the entire year, or planning for some event which is going to happen. It's just that few minutes of aligning your thoughts for the day. Number three, which I feel is very important, is practice gratitude. Today, in our busy times, we tend to lose sight of people whom we are thankful for and rather worry about people who are working against us. So it's very, very important that we should be thinking about people who've been good to us. I would even advise that you record or write down those people whom you should be thankful for. Number four, read something every day. With so much of negativity in social media and newspapers, it's important that we read something new every day. We always have an excuse of time for us. So thanks to technology, we can always subscribe to audiobooks and audio journals and listen to that as we drive to work. Last but not the least, do scary things. When I say scary, it doesn't mean that you have to risk yourself. It's all about doing something out of your comfort zone. Do something which you have never done before. It could be simple examples like try gardening, try cooking. This will certainly make you better prepared when you face situations that you have never been in life. So, friends, five simple steps which will not take more than 30 minutes in your day but will certainly bring the best in you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.